Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This video covers my personal experience with Investec Wealth and Investment Review My Usage Experience. Investec Wealth and Investment Review My Usage Experience offers a comprehensive online portal for reviewing your investment portfolio managed by Investec Wealth and Investment. It's designed for clients who want to actively monitor their investments and understand their performance. Key features include account summaries, transaction history, performance charts, and potentially access to research reports. Their website provides details on accessing the platform and its features. Investec positions this service as a convenient and transparent way to manage your wealth. The website highlights ease of use and access to detailed portfolio information. Pricing is presumably included within the overall wealth management fees, though specifics would need to be clarified with Investec directly. They don't advertise specific technology, but the website implies a secure and user-friendly online experience. Access is granted upon becoming a client of Investec Wealth and Investment. Now, let's talk about my personal experience using Investec Wealth and Investment Review My Usage Experience. Getting started was fairly straightforward. After receiving my login credentials, accessing the platform was simple. The interface is clean and well organized, though admittedly a bit dense at first. Navigating to my portfolio summary was easy, and I particularly appreciated the interactive charts showing my investment performance over different time periods. The transaction history was detailed and easy to filter. The performance data was presented clearly, allowing me to quickly assess the health of my portfolio. I had a quick question about a specific transaction, and their support responded within 2 business days via email. I was really impressed by how detailed the reporting was. One minor drawback was the lack of a mobile app, which would make checking my portfolio on the go much easier. Overall, I'm quite satisfied with the Investec Wealth and Investment Review portal. It provides a robust and clear picture of my investments, and while the lack of a mobile app is a slight inconvenience, the desktop experience more than makes up for it. That's my overview of Investec Wealth and Investment Review My Usage Experience. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Rome Tips for more reviews and tech tips. Check the description for any relevant links. Thanks for watching.